Sure. Here are 5 brainstorm ideas about Angkor Wat Temple. 1. History and architecture. Explore the fascinating history and architecture of Angkor Wat Temple, including its construction, design, and unique features. To religious significance. Learn about the religious significance of Angkor Wat Temple, including its role in Hindu and Buddhist traditions, and its importance to the Khmer Empire. 3. Restoration and preservation. Discover the challenges of restoring and preserving Angkor Wat Temple, including the efforts of local and international organizations to protect this important cultural heritage. For tourist experience, get a glimpse into the tourist experience of visiting Angkor Wat Temple, including tips for planning your trip, must-see sites, and cultural etiquette. 5. Cultural impact. Explore the cultural impact of Angkor Wat Temple, including its influence on art, literature, and popular culture around the world.